Okay, some easy permutations to get us started. We've seen that if you have n different things and you have to put them all in order and you have to use every one of them, then there's n factorial ways to do that. So Regina, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different letters. That means there should be 6 factorial different ways to arrange that. Now, you can show that that's right. Think about before we knew factorials. If we said, take these 6 letters and put them in order, you would have said, okay, I have 6 choices in this first space, and now I only have 5 choices left, and now I only have 4 left, and 3, and 2, and 1. That's exactly what 6 factorial means. So we were doing questions like this before we even knew factorials, but now we can do them much more efficiently. 6 factorial there, which if memory serves is 720. And Kelowna, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 factorial ways to arrange those letters. 7 factorial is 5040, I believe. Remember, that will only work as long as these are all different letters. As soon as we start getting duplicates, if instead of Kelowna we give you something like banana, where the same letters appear more than once, there's a little correction we're going to need to make, and we'll talk about that quite soon. More simplifying factorials, but no variables this time, just numbers, so these are a cakewalk. We have 43 factorial over 40 factorial. Let's see if we can break down the big one in some useful way. 43 factorial means 43 times 42 times 41 times 40 times 39 times da 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 da, all the way down to 1. In other words, we could peel off numbers from the beginning of it, the biggest numbers, and we're left with a smaller factorial. For instance, we could say this is 43 times, and then all this stuff makes 42 factorial. You could do that repeatedly and say 43 factorial is, we'll peel off the 43, and we'll peel off the 42, and we'll peel off the 41, and then 40 all the way down to 1 we'll leave in factorial form. And you can see why I'd want to do that, because now our factorials cancel out. So the value of this is 43 times 42 times 41, which I'm not going to attempt in my head. Calculator says it's 7,052. In B, how about that? Okay. In B, if we want to simplify, again, this 37 is the biggest factorial, so let's see if we can get that to cancel against the 33. 37 factorial, we'll leave the denominator alone for the moment, is peel off the 37, and the 36, and the 35, and the 34, and then we'll leave 33 and everything below it in the factorial. That helps because these 33 factorials cancel. And our result now is, again, I go to the calculator, 37 times 36 times 35 times 34 divided by, and 4 factorial is 24. Overall, 66,045.